Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, steering wheel controls, USB audio interface, power panorama sunroof. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, too. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.